Hey guys, welcome to the first Creative Luigi Bros box unboxing, where we're going to be unboxing a Doug Bowser plush. He looks amazing, and I hope he looks good in real life, so I'm just going to open it now. This thing looks absolutely amazing. Wait, look at... Okay, this thing is honestly really cool. So, we're gonna compare it to the original Bowser, which... it's pretty much the same. It's like, same in size, and, just, that's it really. But yeah, we want to make a series with this plush and just make videos with it because it's cool. So we got this off Amazon. So I don't know what to say for unboxings, to be honest, other than this is what they look like. Yeah, so sorry this was a really short video. It was just a random unboxing we had. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys later.